Hey guys, it's Kelly. Oh, it's hot, I'm sweating, my face is red, and we just packed up. Well, I just packed up. I'm here by myself. 5 shelves worth of plants. So I'm gonna show you what's left to be packed up, and I'll show you how I pack them up. Um, I didn't film like me actually moving stuff. Like, it's just picking things up and putting things down. So, yeah, alrighty. Alright, guys, so these are the 5 shelves, completely empty. And this is basically how I pack them. They're all just in bins. I have 2 other small bins like this, and then I have 4 larger bins, like the next size up. I'll show you that in the car. And this is what I have left. My succulents, a couple of random plants, my string of things, and all of my Hoyas. So I wanted to take my time packing these guys up and making sure they were nice and packed away prettily, packed away securely, so that, yeah, nothing broke. There has been some casualties. It's mainly pots. It's usually, well, the 2 pots that I know broke were they were 2 like pots from Ocean Job State Lot. They were very thin and like very cheap. They were like $2 or something like that. So it's all right as long as the plant survives. That's fine. And yeah, so this is what is left. And yeah, we just have like decorations and stuff to pull down. But yeah, we're doing it in stages because we can, so we are, and it makes it a little bit cheaper, although more time consuming, but it is what it is. Alrighty, see you around.
Hey guys, so I just got home. It is past my bedtime. I forgot to give you guys a little view of like how my plants are. I have a lot. They're like jam-packed in there. There's the other bin right here. Like, my car is packed. The video quality on this is gonna suck because it's late at night, but I got home. I'm just gonna take the plants and bring them into the house, and then tomorrow I'll show you the plants and we'll go through them because I'm tired and I need to shower and go to bed. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is what we got going on. They're just in my sunroom. This is an art piece from Nikki Gunning. It's called the Nickies. I popped little golden pothos in the top, and it looks good. So everything so far looks okay. The white stuff on here is a pest spray that I put on there. I sprayed, it's called 7, I think. And I use the one that's for outdoors. It takes care of like 300 different types of pests. That is an outdoor one. You should be doing it outdoors, not inside. My boyfriend dropped something. And just so you know, if you're going to do that, they have like 3 different varieties. There's one that's like a powder that kills, I think, 65 types of pests. Then they have an indoor spray one that kills like 100 or 120 or something like that. And then they have the outdoor one, and that's the one I use because that one covers mealybugs. So, and that's the pest that I have the most issues with. So we're just in my sunroom. The only plant that got a little hurt was this Philodendron Brazil, and this one was up against a window, and it was like a 7-hour drive, and it got some heat damage. Like, this is heat damage from being in the hot sun up against the window for 7 hours. But everything else looks good. I'm in the middle of painting the plant room. We have it primed. We just picked up the paint. We're going to give it another day for the primer to dry, and then we're going to paint the plant room, and that'll be exciting. And then we can take these guys out and kind of set them up in there, hopefully, and get them out of the sunroom, because my little cats like to, explore, and I've been batting them away from here as best I can, but they're going to get in here, and it's going to be annoying. So yeah, this is just what it is. Sorry for the noise. It's the fish tank. I think the filter's starting to go, but Anyway, this is what we got going on. And yeah, this is the first part of the big move. Until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.